I'm Dr. Martin Kashara, the University of Wolverhampton's Associate Professor for Engagement in STEM, and welcome to our fantastic event, SciFest 2025. This is our annual event of all things STEM, where we take people from schools all across our region to come and engage with businesses, academics, see fantastic science shows and experience all things STEM. We do this every year, so if you're thinking about how to engage people in science, technology, engineering and maths, get in touch and maybe next year you can come to SciFest too. So today we've got businesses from all over the region and members from every one of our faculty putting on stands where you can actually come and experience technology, science, 3D printing, you name it, actually in a hands-on way. So you can come and experience STEM at your own pace in a way that you want. We've got some fantastic science shows happening too, and one of them is from the fantastic John Wood Science, and they're doing a show all about ghost hunting and showing you why some of the programmes on telly that you see about people who go and find out ghosts probably aren't quite as accurate as they say they are. We've also got the amazing Zoo Lab, the hands-on animal crew, and they're doing a show all about how nature has actually helped us inspire engineering and make new materials. And we've got geckos and snakes and cockroaches and scorpions and spiders, and it's absolutely fantastic. We've had a great day and we're really looking forward to next year.